Top 3 Forex pairs for beginners to trade. Welcome back to FX Titans. If you are a beginner, choosing the right currency pair is crucial. Today I share the top 3 Forex pairs that are beginners friendly, low risk, and full of trading opportunities. First up, Euro USD. This pair has high liquidity and low spread, making it perfect for beginners. Plus, it's influenced by major news from the US and Europe, which we'll track daily in our Telegram group. Next is GBP/USD or the cable. This pair is slightly more volatile, offering great opportunities for profit. Just make sure to use proper risk management. Our free Telegram group sends out signals like this, making it easy for beginners to profit even during uncertain times. Want to trade smarter during global events? Join our Telegram group today for real-time signals, expert analysis, and a supportive community. Like this video, subscribe to FX Titans, hit the notification icon for weekly trainings, tips, just a lot. See you in the next video.